Experiencing a blurry picture on your Amazon Fire Stick? Let's fix it with these essential troubleshooting steps. First, let's perform 3 essential basic checks that solve most blurry picture issues. Step 1. Restart your Fire Stick by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. Step 2. Ensure your HDMI connection is secure and try a different HDMI port if needed. Step 3. Replace your remote batteries with fresh ones. Here's how to properly connect your Fire Stick to the HDMI port. Make sure it's firmly inserted and try different ports if the first one doesn't work. Now let's address resolution settings, which are the most common cause of blurry pictures. Navigate to your Fire Stick settings menu to adjust the video resolution. Follow this path: Settings, then Display and Sounds, then Display, and finally Video Resolution. First, set your resolution to automatic. If the picture is still blurry, manually select 1080p. For older TVs, try 720p resolution. If you encounter a black screen while adjusting settings, here's an emergency technique. If you see a black screen, use this button combination on your remote. Press and hold the up and rewind buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. This will cycle through available resolutions automatically. This technique cycles through all available resolutions until you find one that works with your TV. Resolution mismatch between your Fire Stick and TV is the most common cause of blurry or flickering displays. These steps will resolve most picture quality issues. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve blurry pictures, advanced solutions target software, network, and hardware issues. Start with software updates to ensure your Fire Stick has the latest fixes and improvements. Clear app cache to resolve streaming issues. Corrupted cache files can cause poor video quality and playback problems. Network issues cause buffering and poor video quality. Check your internet speed and connection stability. A minimum of 10 megabits per second is recommended for smooth streaming. HDMI connection problems can cause display issues. Try different HDMI cables and ports. Enable HDMI CEC for better device communication and automatic input switching. As a final solution, Factory Reset restores default settings but erases all data and apps. Only use this when other methods fail. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, then Reset to Factory Defaults. By systematically addressing software updates, cache clearing, network optimization, HDMI connections, and factory reset when necessary, you can resolve most blurry picture issues on your Amazon Fire Stick.